Welcome to all the spiritual seekers and meditation enthusiasts to the Stillness Retreat in Pyramid Valley International, Bengaluru. Stillness is not just about silence, is not just about fasting. Stillness is about stillness of the mind. When we are still, that is when we are with ourselves. That is when we get connected with our inner being, inner potential. And Stillness Retreat provides you 7 days of enough opportunities for all of you to experience the stillness and allowing you to go within. In the Stillness Retreat in Pyramid Valley, we have a special recipe. We do a 5-element meditation. We do meditation on one element every day at a different spot here in the venue, in the campus. The first day we do air element meditation at Tapasthali. Then we do the water element meditation at a Zen garden. Then the third day we do the earth element meditation sitting on the rocks in our rock garden. The fourth day we do the sky element meditation on the balcony of the pyramid. And the fifth day we do the fire element meditation. So these are very special, unique experiences that we've heard participants talk about. For the same matter, the pyramid that you see here, the Maitreya Buddha mega pyramid, which is the first mega pyramid built purely for meditation purposes, which can house 5,000 people at a time, is also built aligned to the concept of 5 elements. So these 7 days of Stillness Retreat will include long and sustained hours of Anapanasati meditation, which is breath mindfulness meditation. In the wisdom session, we go through the theory and science behind why and what and how of the Anapanasati meditation. So we do 2 hours of wisdom session. We cover topics like understanding the nature of body, mind and soul. One of the elements of the Stillness Retreat is also about our body being still, and the key factor for our body to be still is the food that we consume. So when the food that we consume is of high prana, then our body doesn't agitate us, the body doesn't disturb us. And that is why we serve fresh sattvic food in our Annadana dining hall, freshly prepared every day, every time for the participants. Patriji says the highest meaning of spirituality is service. And that is why one of the key components of Stillness Retreat is the 2-hour seva. So in this 2 hours, participants really love to do the service in different parts. We have the opportunity for the Stillness Retreat participants to do seva in the pyramid, do the cleaning of the campus, do the service in the Annadana, to do service in our room block and hospitality block, to do service in this organic garden that we have in one corner of Pyramid Valley. And the key component that we mention, we tell people when they do service is to be totally being mindful, completely being mindful. That's also a part of their sadhana, of them having to do the work or the seva in complete gratitude, complete mindfulness, without any thought, without any expectation of any outcome. Scientific research has shown that meditators who've been doing long hours of meditation throughout the day have significantly shown changes in their brain and body functions. That is why Pyramid Valley International has organized this Stillness Retreat, and all the components of Stillness Retreat have been planned in an optimal manner. There are 4 days of pure silence, 7 hours of meditation every day, 2 hours of service or seva every day, and enough wisdom sessions for you to get to know what to do during stillness. Patriji says, be still, know thyself. That is the whole goal of the 7-day Stillness Retreat being conducted by Pyramid Valley International.